Okay, right now I got the log splitter running, and I use the log splitter as a power plant to operate the transfer boost pump, because I use nitrogen for my PCP air rifle. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the valves on both tanks, and that'll equalize the pressure. And this system there's 3 check valves, 2 here and 1 here. Okay, so now I'm going to open up this valve. So right now in this tank, I'm showing about 2,500 PSI in that tank. Now I'm going to open up this one. Now that's going to, once the pressure is equalized in the 2 tanks, then this one's all the way open. And wait for the pressure equalizes.
Kill the heater.
Pressure's still equalized. Okay, so here we go. So what's going to happen is that there's already pressure in the cylinder. So when I pull this back, the nitrogen pressure is going to extend the piston. That's 2 pumps. So less than 3 pumps, I went up from 2,000 to 2,500. 3 pumps. This log splitter is 60 horsepower, and because this transfer pump is a 10-inch stroke with a 2-inch bore, when you're compressing that kind of air pressure, you need a lot of horsepower. So what's that, like 4 pumps already? I'm almost up to 3,000. In 5 pumps, I took it up from 2,000 to 3,000. Now this thing right here, back up a minute. This thing right here is the pressure relief I have set for 4,000 PSI. It's like a safety backup. That's what this thing here is for. Right now I'm up to 32. What's popping on me? brighten this up a little bit more because right now I have this set for 32. Got 35 so far. On this. Until I get this thing straightened out, I'm not going to bring it up. Let's see if I can get it close to about 38. Okay, this gauge here and this one here is showing 4,000, but I don't know how accurate that is. But right now my two gauges, this gauge is showing about 37, and this gauge is only showing 3,000. So what I got to do is I'm not worried about this one leaking because I'm not losing my pressure out of the tank because of the check valves. So we're done. Now, shut this one off. Shut this one off. Read this. So right now, this is how I filled my tank. I'm going to disconnect this, and I'm going to, I can turn that off. Okay, so I got my 4,000. Well, anyway, this is a rough demonstration how it works. Any questions, leave them in the comments below. Shut it off.